Hi you guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this hair look right here and review this product, which is the Bedhead Ouai We Go by TG. I am going to tell you what I think about it and I hope that you enjoy this video. So let's just jump right in. Hi you guys, so today we are going to be reviewing the Bedhead Ouai We Go. This is a tool that is similar to a crimper, but it's going to give us those beachy textured waves, hopefully. I've never used it. This is also going to be a first impression. So first off, this tool has some different heat settings. I did put it on the highest, 400, because my hair is thick and it's also very coarse. And so I also polled you guys to see if you wanted to see more of a undone, like natural look using this, or more of a polished look. And everyone on my Instagram wanted to see more of a polished look. So I have already smoothed out my hair and used my dry bar blow dry brush and just kind of flattened the ends a little bit just to give me a straight start. But I really hope to also be able to let my hair air dry in its natural wave, because naturally my hair is very curly. And I hope to be able to wear it like that and just kind of touch it up to give it like some texture and movement using this. You are also supposed to be able to twist this knob here to get different like styles of curls. See how it's getting a little closer. It gets larger and smaller. So I've actually got it, hopefully, I think on level 4, which is gonna be the loosest curl, I'm hoping. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the Flex Hairspray from Living Proof, just to give me some heat protection. And I'm also gonna use some dry shampoo just to get started. So I'm gonna get a little closer. I'm gonna start in the front here. I'm actually going to, I'm gonna include my bang in it. Let's just give it a go. So you just wanna squeeze and release. I think it's gonna help to hold the ends. Ooh. Interesting. I think this is gonna look really similar to a crimper before it's really like brushed out. And I'm hoping once it's brushed out, it's gonna look a little bit more. I'm kind of leaving the ends just because I want it to be kind of undone. I'm hoping once it's brushed out, it's gonna look more like a beachy wave. I think I'm going to go down to a 3. Let's go down to a 2, just to see what this does on my bang area. The hair around your face is the most, the hair around your face is the most fragile, so you want to be really careful with that. I've still got it on a 2. I just want to try the different shape to see how it looks compared to the 4. It's definitely helpful to hold the ends like this. Okay, I just took a peek in the mirror and I'm kind of liking the 4 better, so I'm going to turn the nozzle back to a 4. Make sure I get the pieces up underneath. I'm loving how it's looking so far. It's really fun. It's just different from what I'm used to, which is awesome. I love changing up my look. Sorry you guys, I kind of honestly zoned out. This tool is like very therapeutic for some reason. It's really good. I'm loving how it's looking so far. I think this would do really well on my curly hair too, so I'm definitely gonna try that for you guys in a video and just show you kind of a alternative way to use it, because I think it would do really, really well. Shocked. That took me, I'm looking at the viewfinder on my camera, it only took me 5 minutes to get this look. It was so easy. It's so different from what I normally wear, which I really love. So now I'm just gonna kind of spice it up a little bit. So I want to use my Ouai texturizing hairspray to give me a lot of volume, because like I said, I did straighten my hair previous to this, so it is a little flatter than I want it to be for this look. And so I'm just gonna use this to create some even more texture. I'm just gonna kind of flip it over and shake it out just to give it a little bit more looseness and kind of separate it out a little bit. What in the world, you guys? I don't know why I'm so surprised, but I just did not expect to love this as much as I do. This is really similar to how my hair actually air dries, but it's so much more polished. I'm gonna try to get close. I hope you guys can see. It's just so much more like polished than my natural hair dry, like air dried hair. And that is because I straightened it first, but I really don't even need to do anything to it. It would be super cute, like half up, half down like this, or even like a, even like in a ponytail, like with a lot of texture. How fun is that? This would be the perfect tool to like take to the beach or on vacation, just because you can kind of, I mean, like how cute is that? That's so cute. So anyway, go buy it. No, I'm just kidding. This product ranges, I think, between like $40 and $50, which is so like a no-brainer for a hair tool, because it's just kind of something extra to have in your closet when you want to change it up. But I love this far more than I thought I would, and I think I'm going to be wearing it like this quite often. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and check out the other videos and playlists that I have to offer. And make sure to go follow the KK Lifestyle blog on Instagram at the KK Lifestyle blog, and check out the KKLifestyle.com. Thank you guys for watching.